can't believe this is finally happening. It's been 9 years since we started. 9 years since I fully decided to commit myself to you. Yes, since from day one. It was never easy, but I never ever thought of giving up.
That person who enters your life out of nowhere and suddenly means the world to you. Imagine how far a random quote you sent me 9 years ago has brought us. Our story started unexpectedly. No one saw it coming, not even me. But maybe that's what made it so special.
Tigil na yung ulan. Yes. Ang galing. Yeah. Nagkaroon lang ng isang subject talaga na mag-classmate kami. So, for the longest time na 2012 until 2016 or 2015, hindi kami naging classmates or blockmates. Pero isang subject, kung kailan malapit na matapos yung course namin, siya kami naging mag-classmate. Tapos, sige, ako na nga. Aminin ko na. Ako na yung una nag-chat. Pero for academic purposes. Nag-ask ako kung ano yung scope ng quiz. Tapos, in-assume na niya, na-crush ko siya. It's gonna be a good day. No clouds coming my way. Everything is from pagising niya pa lang, may message niya ako. Talagang long messages. At napaka-drama. Yung mga ganun yung parang, ayoko namang wala ka. Inask ko siya kung taga-saan siya. Sabi niya, malayo kami sa bayan, pero malapit kami sa simbahan. Bali, kung papakasalan mo ko, mahaba yung lalakarin mo from bahay hanggang church.
Hazel, do you take Cholo, her present, for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Cholo, do you take Hazel, her present, for your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Cholo, paglabas mo dito, may responsibility ka na everyday to carry Hazel in your shoulder. Pahalin, wagsak na. Grasya siya ng Diyos, ang isang biyaya, inaalagaan. Kaya, mahalin, unawain, at alagaan si Hazel gaya ng pag-aalaga ng kanyang mami sa kanya.
Kasi bunso ko to eh. Masaya naman ako at long last. And ito na yung hinihintay mong day to be with Cholo. And this is the right time. 29 ka na.
Kay Papa, wala ka man dito ngayon, alam ko na happy ka. Naiwan mo man kami, or nawala ka man dito at our early age. Lumaki kaming maayos dahil sa mga taong nakapaligid sa amin at nagmamahal sa amin. Love you, Papa.
Golden light shimmering, soft as a whisper, you reach for me.
May dala siyang nips. Nung binigyan niya ako, sabi ko, okay lang, damihan ko yung cook. Tapos parang yun talaga yung hanggang ngayon nasa mind ko kung paano yung moment na yun. Parang alam mo yung sa movie, na parang nag-slow mo lahat. Tapos parang ako lang yung nakikita niya.
Finally, today has come. And from this day on, I vow to love you more. I will be the best person you can count on. And I promise to protect this family we're about to make. I date to marry. Di ba? So, wala naman akong short-time relationship. So, pinagdasal ko kasi siya. Kasi, 9 years, ang tagal nang inintay namin. No? So, supposedly, gusto ko nga nun, our 5th year, 6th year, married na kami. I was ready na rin, but we have to wait for things. We have to put things in place muna.
Thank you for waiting. Not just for me, but for my family to be ready. It took time, years even. But just like the cliche says, true love waits. And from this day forward, waiting will no longer be an option. We're finally here. It's now our time.
Thankful, no? Kasi hindi naman naabot dito kung di dahil sa kanila. So,
actually, ano lang yun. Ang buhay talaga is ganyan. Pero ang importante lang doon is just keep on your faith in Him above. Always.
Grow old with you. I will grow towards you always. Becoming better together, laughing louder together, falling deeper together, believing braver together. And lastly, seeing how well you love Scoob and Sab, and yes, even ang magugulong papis, Scott and Sky, there's no doubt you'll be an amazing father to our children. Cholelan and PBA. Started with Nips chocolate. Now, we end our boyfriend-girlfriend era with Nips as well. N, nag, I, iisa, P, para, S, sa akin. Nag-iisa para sa akin. I love you, love, my CJ, and now my husband.